In today's video, I'll teach you how to change miles to kilometer in Google Fit app. So first of all, open the Google Fit application. Make sure you're logged into your account. Initially, you'll be led to the home interface. Right now, my distance is being shown in miles. So if you want to change it, tap on the profile icon that you can see at the bottom right corner of your screen. After you do that, you'll be led to the profile interface. Tap on the gear icon that you can see at the top of your screen. Now once you do that, you'll be able to access the settings. Under the section for units at third, you'll be able to find this option for distance. What you have to do is tap on it. Now once you do that, you can see two options over here, kilometers, miles. Right now miles is selected. What you have to do is tap on this option, kilometers. Now after you do that, the unit for the distance will be kilometers. Now all of your distance will be displayed in the kilometer. So that is how you change miles to kilometer in Google Fit app. I hope you found this video helpful. Thank you for watching.